So hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to cook ugali. So all you need is water, flour, and maybe your milk for stirring. So you have to place your water and then you wait for it to boil. After it boils, you make sure that your unga is ready, like the flour that you're cooking with. And so you start placing a little bit of your flour into the boiling water, and then you start stirring it up bit by bit. You place a little bit of your flour and then you start stirring it up. Make sure you're stirring it to the latter so that you won't leave some bits of flour in your ugali. Make sure you do this consistently, and this process, it's not a really long process. It takes at least 2 minutes, and you have to do this until your unga it toughens to the level you want. If you want it to be so hard, you have to make sure you have to place a little bit more of flour into your ugali. Stir it up. Make sure you're doing this consistently, because if you leave some bits of unga in your ugali, it might bring some mess. So you do that consistently, yeah, and leave a room for it to cool down. As it cools down, it toughens. You have to note that. Then after you're done stirring it up, make sure you reduce the amount of fire that the gas is releasing. Then you do the stirring it up again so that the top and the beneath ugali can get cooked nicely. You do that twice or thrice and it will be fantastic. Then boom, our ugali is very ready. Now you have to make a mountain of ugali so that it won't stick on the sufuria, and we are done. Boom.